Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I have been doing this for 51 years. Um, I worked at IRS for 10. I was a teaching instructor, worked the offer and compromise program. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I'm a national expert. You can just look at my website at 777irs.com and you can learn everything that we do as a team. We're an excellent firm, and you can use this if you want. Anyway, today I want to go ahead and I worked the tax debt forgiveness program. When I worked at IRS, I worked the offer program. I used to accept offers and I used to deny offers. So Peter Salinger in my office has worked 3,500 offers in compromise. We are the experts. We are the horse's mouth trying to tell you the truth. And what I'm trying to let everybody know, and I talk about it all the time. On this phone, I get call after call about people that have been ripped off and scammed by people who want to settle their tax debt. Remember, I was a teaching instructor for this program. I know the program inside and out. I can tell you stuff that goes on behind the scenes that people do not know. I've got a bunch of videos on that. You've got to be careful not to get ripped off by salespeople. The biggest scam going out there are things like the Fresh Start program. They throw you bait. They want to make you think you're eligible for this. I get so many calls for people that paid bunches of money and they never were eligible for the offer and compromise program because the salesperson talked you into signing, and then 6 months to a year later it gets rejected and they blame IRS. This is the scam that's going on. When you call a company, if you don't call us, if you call a company and that person is an attorney, it's not a CPA or enrolled agent, they can't represent you in front of Internal Revenue Service. So you're wasting your time talking to that salesman because he's here to make a commission on this. That's why they're there. They're very good. They practice scripts. They practice this. They will take any case they can that they think that they can get money on and file an offer and compromise. And you get screwed. Why? You've given IRS a look into your financial statement and you've extended the statute for a year plus the time it's in offer status. So if you think you want to file an offer and compromise, you have to pick a person to do this, not a company, a person who has lots of experience working the offer and compromise. It's just not as simple as filling out this form. You have to look at the financial statement first and determine if this is the right. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Anyway, if you need us, you now know the truth. Give me a subscription if you would. I've got a lot of videos out there. Happy to help you. When you call our office, you only talk to me. Thank you. Blessings.